Hi YouTube. I have here a soldering station I bought from Hobbyking. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like, how it's packaged when you get it from Hobbyking. So let's see what's inside. This instruction manual. How is this? Just text, no pictures, or almost no pictures. So yeah, exploded view. So what else is inside? This is the soldering iron. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it's gonna be fun to try, and I assume that this is, oh okay, no, I thought it was some power supply, but no, this is the stand for the iron itself. So yeah, what I did heard that these what's the English word for this again? All the pointers, they are no good at all. So it was recommended to buy a new one, which I have. Excuse me for just moving away from the camera. And I just went on eBay and I bought a bunch of these. These are Hakko pointers. This is 900 MT 2.4D is the number on it, and I can open one. And they look like this. So we'll see if they are any better. It's just from eBay. I don't know if this the Hakko, if it's you know, a copy or anything. We'll see. They were cheap anyway. So I will try to use this and see if it is as bad as they claim. Oh, I lost that one. So sorry. So I don't know if the one I bought just fits. Seems like, yeah. Maybe the hole are just a little bit bigger. So we'll see. We'll see how it works. I will test the original one out and see if it's as bad as somebody claims. And I will also test these one out and see if they are any good. But we'll see how it goes. It's not gonna. Oh, the battery was done. Just let me turn that off. It's not gonna. It has to be real bad before it's worse than the soldering iron I already have. So we'll see. Thank you for watching.